Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and we talk about Flash Player in this video. It's been a while. So at the beginning of this year or late last year, we have talked about the demise of Flash Player that will be removed from browsers and from Windows. By December, it will be removed of the browsers, and by 2021 it will be removed completely from any parts of Windows. And of course it brings a lot of questions because people are still stuck in the past in many aspects. You know, Flash Player is what's left of Flash Player is almost only games. Some websites that still use Flash Player to actually display the games and have you play some of these games. For the most part, Flash Player is gone from the majority of websites. A lot of people think that Flash Player is needed to play videos, and you do not. HTML5 is the standard being used by every website for video playback. So there's no need for Flash Player. And honestly, any website that requires you to have Flash to play a video, I think you shouldn't even go there in the first place. It's not something needed. So right now, most browsers have by default blocked Flash Player. If you go to a website, you'll have a little icon that looks like a puzzle piece in most browsers that, you know, if you want, you can actually activate Flash Player for a specific website or just once for something that you want to see. But for the most part, it is being phased out. All the major browsers and even Microsoft this week talked about it. Edge will not have Flash anymore as we get in January 2021. So this is something to note, as it will be disappearing from browsers. Adobe also will not be supporting any more Flash Player, as this is now something that they don't want to take care of anymore. And the fact that there were so many security flaws in Flash Player that it became more of a nightmare to have Flash on a computer than to, actually be useful in any way. So it is a demise, and I see a lot of people saying, well, this isn't true, that Flash Player will not go away. Yes, it is. It is going away, and honestly, personally, thank God it's going away. Goodbye, and I will not miss Flash, that's for sure. It was introduced long time ago. It used to be that a lot of animations on websites were done with this, but today HTML5 takes care of almost anything in websites. So apart from a few websites that have tons of little games that some people enjoy, I don't know what's going to happen with those websites. But maybe they could find a way to maybe have run Flash themselves in some way in the games, and have a way to probably have people on the website just play around without having to run Flash on their PCs. One thing for sure is that as Flash will be phased out, anything that contains Flash will become less and less secure over time, because the main updating of Flash is done by Adobe, and Adobe will stop supporting. So this is important to know. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.